At the back of the simulator is the power button. So if the simulator is not starting, maybe something's happened to the wiring here, you could take the side panel off the simulator. So it undoes from here and comes away. And then, like lying down, you'll be able to look into the back and see if those cables have come off. Otherwise, we've taken the whole seat base and seat off the plate, and then that accesses the computer. So, you know, we'd be checking whether the wires have come off here. Otherwise, those wires run into the motherboard and bypass the usual tower case power button, which is, you know, not accessible on the other side there for our simulator users. If you need to take the computer out, you'll be unscrewing the tower case screws, and the bottom plate is actually screwed into the rails here in the simulator frame. So you'd be undoing those two tower case screws, and then and obviously removing cables, and you'd be disconnecting the connection of the power button, and you'd have the Arduino that's sitting on the bottom of the seat that you'd need to have disconnected that from the computer, and then you'd be sliding that tower case back and lifting out, sliding it forward and lifting it out to access the tower case, and it would be then out, and, you know, something you could work on away from the simulator, minus the base, the bottom plate, the opposite to this plate, which would be staying screwed in. And then after working on the computer, you'd be able to slide the whole tower case back in and then put those screws back in, securing it into the simulator again.